Netflix is reporting after the bell. This is one where they focus more, not so much on the earnings, whether they meet estimates, that's important and all, but subscriber growth. In other words, there are more people hooking up to Netflix. Let's get the read from Russ Frushtick, the tech analyst extraordinaire. Russ, what gets your attention when it comes to Netflix?
Yeah, right now, I think the biggest concern for them is competition. They, in the very near future, are going to have a ton of competition they didn't have a minute ago from Disney, from Warner. All of these places are going to be sending their subscribers to different locations. So when you look at subscriber growth, I think a lot of these subscribers are going to say, hey, I'm not going to pay for 6 different services. I'm going to do these 2, and maybe one of those is not Netflix.
And Netflix has sort of grown to have everything under one roof, including, obviously, its own programming. It's competing with the likes of Hulu and some of these others that you've gotten into in the past. Too much so that now it used to have this almost to itself. Now there are a lot of other characters playing, including Disney, with some of the Fox acquisition properties. What do you think?
Yeah, 100%. I think Disney has the ability to throw, Marvel and Thor up on the screen and get everyone's attention. Now, Netflix has done a good job creating their original series, stuff like that, but it's not Marvel. It's not the biggest movie properties on the planet, and that's really what they're up against.
Let me switch gears, if you don't mind, if I can address Apple with you right now. Goldman Sachs is out with a report that said it sees slowing demand, maybe rapidly slowing demand in China.
Yeah.
What would be the impact there? What are they looking at?
Yeah, 100%. It's a major problem for Apple, something they have always needed to focus on. And I think they've been a little less cavalier in terms of pushing those Chinese manufacturers. And now I think they're going to really have to start, because this is kind of a middle year for Apple. They haven't revolutionized their hardware, and that won't come for another year. So they need to find ways in these gap years to sort of get that level of attention and really reach this Chinese audience that they've always sort of had a tough time doing.
Now, will the Chinese hold a grudge? I always wonder if we ever resolve our differences on trade. I'm told that the country has sort of rallied around Xi Jinping for the hard stance he's taking on this, and don't like the way the Chinese themselves have been trashed in the global press, and they don't take too kindly to that. And they might take it out on American manufacturers. They might take it out on Apple. What do you think?
I honestly think that consumers focus on whatever the best product is. And so long as that's, affordable, it has the best technology. I don't think this stuff sticks around in terms of grudges among the consumer base. But if Apple is, coming up against phones that are equally as good, have the best features, so on and so forth, that's going to be the problem for them. It's not so much a grudge as it is you got to have the best product.
Now, I know you're more a tech analyst than a Wall Street analyst, which makes you very reliable. So let me ask you on the tech side, leaving aside the NASDAQ 100 and some of these technology names that have come well off their highs, is it overdone? The sentiment that these were darlings a little more than a couple of weeks ago, now not so much. They're the same companies making the same products. What do you think?
I don't think it's a long-term situation with them. I don't know that we'll ever reach the rocketing highs that we've seen over the last couple years. But the fact of the matter is, as we've said, this whole segment's about competition. We're seeing new competition for all these companies that previously didn't really have any. So, that's going to be the future for them, is whether they can fend off these companies or buy them outright.
All right. You are an encyclopedia, young man. Thank you again.
Sure thing.
All right, Russ Frushtick.